Letter from Saint-Germain, the dream of tomorrow. Dear Assembly, you have arrived at the birthplace of your future. I come to guide you once again, to escort you in your co-creation processes. The time has come to gather as prior assemblies, as consciousness assemblies, as the creators that you are. Recognize yourselves in this way, and life will follow you in the development of your full creative potential. While that which must disappear is in the process of crumbling, you have a role to play on the great planetary chessboard. You are the bearers of the light of renewal. You are the midwives of the one eternal matrix. Together, through the union of your hearts, you are already radiating the power of new love. That's why I'm speaking to you, because I can read your desire for love in your souls. It remains to be seen that you have both feet on the ground in a world that is still full of paradoxes. I ask you to make an effort to accept this. Even though it may seem trivial to some, accepting paradoxes, chaotic situations, human folly, and decadence is part of the path of love. Once you open your heart of compassion to this great acceptance of the whole in everything, you're already freeing yourself from a disastrous future. You're actually allowing your consciousness to move on the next stage, imagination. So I ask you to accept what is and imagine what will be. You will simply take immense pleasure and deep satisfaction in dreaming, daydreaming, and imagining the most radiant and fulfilling future for yourself and all humanity. It's very important for you not to neglect the power of creative imagination. It is a ferment of your planetary renewal. By trusting life, the laws of love, and your assembly of light, you hold in your hands the civilization of the Golden Age. Take time out to imagine what nourishes your soul, what delights your heart, what transcends your limits. What makes love grow? What flourishes your children, your elders, your schools, your societies, your community of light? What honors the kingdom of nature? What pays tribute to animals? What brings forth beauty, wisdom, harmony, joy? By honoring the fruits of your imagination, you sow the seeds of the Golden Age, lay the foundation for a radiant future, allow life to resonate with your creative imagination, and give birth to your eternal reality. This is the way. This is your path to ascension. With all my love, your beloved Saint-Germain.